What's up guys, and welcome again to a new PHP video. PHP is as easy as the easiest web programming language for backend. It is easy language, open source, and easy to use. Just start with PHP and then closing PHP tag. Let's try to write any PHP code. So I will take echo and say hello world. Remember, in HTML, if we want to run the file, we go to the file, double click, and run it. I used the echo statement to print hello world to the browser, but you see, there is no result. In fact, this is not the way to open a PHP file. Double click will not open a PHP file. The question is why? Because PHP is a server scripting language, which means it runs on the server, not in the browser, same as CSS and HTML. In fact, there are three components makes PHP run. The first one is a server. The second one is PHP language shall be installed to the server. And finally, we need a browser to show the result after running the PHP code. As you know, the client or the user is going to make a request to the server, such as filling a form for creating a new account. When the server receives the request, PHP language is going to handle that request by taking the data and store it in database. After that, it will send back the response to the client and showing him that registration done successfully. And that will be by return back an HTML text to the browser so the browser can handle it and show to the user. So let us set up our PC to run as a server. As we said, we need three components: PHP, server, as well as a browser. Browser we have, as you can see here, and we need to install the server and PHP. In fact, a server can be IIS from Microsoft or can be Apache. Here I'm gonna use Apache, but before that, in fact, I'm not going to install each one of them separately. Instead, I'm going to use all-in-one software that have the server and PHP language inside it, beside other tools that will help me to develop a website. There are many options. Two of them are XAMPP and WAMP. It's up to you. You can use any of them. But the most important thing, when you install one of them, try to run it. If it runs without error, that is great. If there is an error, so you need the easy way to uninstall and go for the second one and run it. All right, so I will go for XAMPP, and to install XAMPP, we have to go to the official website, then choose the version that's suitable for us. If you are using Windows, so you need to install Windows version. If you are using Linux and Mac OS, so you install the version that is related to you. Run the setup file. Next, until the last screen and finish. After that, you can run XAMPP. When it runs, you will see that there is Apache. Click on Start. When it starts, you can go to your web browser and type localhost